for something, what would be your logo or your message printed on a shirt?
First of all, I would like to greet everyone, the students, the teachers, the judges, a great afternoon. Thank you, teacher, for that wonderful question. If I were given a chance to fight for something and put it on a shirt, it would be quote unquote, do hard things. It's from a book by two twins, and because I would choose that because I believe that each and every one of us has these capabilities that is far beyond what we expect of ourselves. So to everyone out there, don't be afraid to try out new things. Don't lock yourself up in a box. Just go out of your comfort zone because there's no harm in trying. So that's all. Thank you.
Give yourself a try. Okay, next to Dion. What are your personal skills and talents that you would contribute to your country? Okay, so what are your personal skills and talents that you would contribute to your country?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for that wonderful question. I think my personal talents are I can sing and I can play lots of musical instruments. I will contribute it to my country by letting others to have this talent. I would like to share them. I would like to teach them my talent. For them to get rid of the vices all around in our environment. I thank you.